Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there and not going crazy from being stuck inside and all that good stuff. So I have here a Mul-T-Lock Classic with pretty decent bitting, and from the feel of it, I think this thing has serrated pins in it, so that'll be pretty cool if I'm not crazy. But I guess we will have to pick it open and gut it and find out. So yeah, let's see how this goes here. Alright, I think that's all the outers. Let's see what we got on inner pins now. At least I think that's it on outers. Okay, that was the inner on one. What am I missing here? Nobody wants to give me anything. Oh, there we go, the inner on 4. Okay. Oh, inner on 1's binding again. There we go. Alright, so now let's just find whoever's holding us up here. Click out of 4. There we go. Click out of 5 and we are open. Up. Inners drop down into the keyway there. Oh, that guy is too large. Let's see. I guess I don't really need to, but just use the back of this pick. There we go. Perfect. All right. Need a screwdriver. Take the rear of that guy off. A little Phillips head ought to do it. Okay. I guess that'll stay in there. It's the key stop. And Mul-T-Locks are just a standard size, so I think that ought to do it. Yep. All right. I guess I'll pop them in this one here. So, I guess you'd have a drill protection possibly right in there. I love these cores. Mul-T-Lock calls it the three-dimensional shear line, so that the tolerance on these pins can be way higher than they would be able to if you just had a flat core. Alright, so we got 1, there's 2, 3, yep, inner, outer, 4, and 5. Need some tweezers. Oh man, I don't have my thin tweezers. Hold on just a second. There we go. Alright, sorry about that. The only tweezers I have are my pinning tweezers, and they don't pick up these little inner pins. Alright, now let's get the drivers. Yep, serrated. Cool. You do not find serrated pins very often in Mul-T-Locks, but they're neat when you do. So they should all be serrated. So that's usually what Mul-T-Lock does, is all of their driver pins will be the same, whether they be spools or serrated or standard. Alright. Yep, and these are the decent drivers. I'd like to get my hands on one of the original Mul-T-Locks where the driver pin or the inner pin didn't go all the way through the driver. They were susceptible to an overlifting attack where you could lift all the inner pins up above the shear line and very easily get the lock open, but I want to play with one if I could ever get my hands on one. So these have really fine serrations on them, if you can see that, but there you are, Mul-T-Lock Classic with serrated pins. Alright all, thanks a lot, take care, stay safe, see you on the next one.